By 2030, over 200 cell and gene therapies could receive FDA approval, with the potential to treat 100,000 US patients annually, according to Cardinal Health's 2025 Advanced Therapies report. However, critical gaps in infrastructure, reimbursement, and patient access threaten widespread adoption. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Advances in gene and cell therapies hold great promise for treating endometriosis, affecting an estimated 176 million women globally. Early diagnosis and intervention are crucial to reducing pain and preventing complications. Alarmingly, diagnosis in the UK takes an average of 7.5 years. However, a recent breakthrough in Russia offers new hope for faster and more effective treatment. A survey of healthcare professionals highlights access hurdles primarily driven by restrictive payer policies. Prior authorizations, narrow coverage criteria, and delayed approvals are major barriers, often postponing or preventing timely patient care. Geographic disparities worsen the issue, as most cell and gene therapies are administered at academic centers, forcing patients to travel long distances. Providers advocate for community-based treatment sites to improve accessibility. Financial challenges loom large. Complex reimbursement models and the high costs of therapies deter both providers and payers. Although value-based contracts are widely supported, establishing measurable outcomes and operational frameworks remains problematic. Enrollment bottlenecks further slow adoption. Caregiver shortages, insurance denials, and out-of-network limitations cause significant delays, sometimes extending treatment initiation by over a week. Long-term patient tracking, mandated for up to 15 years, suffers as follow-up rates drop due to factors like relocation and insurance changes. Real-world evidence presents a viable path forward by utilizing routine clinical data to ease the tracking burden. Early collaboration between biopharma and payers is essential to align coverage and data requirements, ensuring smoother therapy launches. Decentralizing cell and gene therapies delivered to outpatient settings and leveraging scalable digital tools for enrollment can significantly enhance access. Addressing these systemic challenges is critical to fully realizing the transformative promise of cell and gene therapies in patient care. Let's look into today's headlines. TikTok announces image-to-video feature called AI Live. TikTok has announced its first image-to-video AI feature called AI Live, allowing users to transform static photos into dynamic videos within TikTok stories. The new tool leverages artificial intelligence to add movement and effects to still images, further expanding the platform's creative capabilities. Users can access AI Live through TikTok's story camera by tapping the blue plus button on their inbox or profile page, then selecting a photo from the story album. Ericsson sets up antenna manufacturing in India. Ericsson is expanding its local manufacturing footprint in India, reinforcing the company's commitment to India and positioning it as a strategic innovation hub within Ericsson's global network. The move reinforces Ericsson Antenna System, that is EAS, role in building high-performing mobile networks. By June 2025, Ericsson will localize 100% of EAS passive antenna production for the Indian market. This strategic investment enables faster time to market, deeper collaboration with local partners, and greater adaptability to customer needs. Microsoft testing Hey Copilot Wake command on Windows. Microsoft has been steadily adding new AI features to Windows in the last few months. The tech giant is at present testing a new way to trigger Copilot. In a blog post, Microsoft said that Windows users who have signed up for the insider builds will now be able to invoke Copilot by simply saying, "Hey Copilot." According to Microsoft, the opt-in feature gives people a hands-free Copilot experience, and that it will only be available when the Windows PC is unlocked. A newly developed AI tool can predict cancer survival more accurately. Scientists have developed a new artificial intelligence tool called Face Age, which uses just a photo of a face to estimate one's biological age, an indicator of how one's body is aging. The study titled Face Age. It is a deep learning system to estimate biological age from face photographs to improve prognostication. Found that Face Age not only measures aging more precisely than a birthday count but also predicts survival chances in cancer patients better than doctors do. Airtel network was down across Tamil Nadu and parts of South India. Airtel faced widespread network disruptions in Tamil Nadu and parts of South India, leaving users unable to make calls. Social media platforms like X and others were buzzed with complaints from users across Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, and Kerala, who were reporting that they were unable to make calls on Airtel networks and were facing call drops. However, mobile data services on telecom network were functioning. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.